7.1.4 Cracking and Alkenes. So long chain hydrocarbons are broken down or cracked to make smaller molecules. The smaller molecules are more useful. They have a higher demand than there is supply. Two types of cracking you need to know. Catalytic cracking happens around 550 degrees with a aluminium oxide or a zeolite or porous pot catalyst. So it's heated with a catalyst and the long chain hydrocarbon breaks to form a shorter chain hydrocarbon and alkenes. The other type of cracking is steam cracking. This occurs at a higher temperature, over 800 degrees, and no catalyst is required, only steam. So when the long chain hydrocarbon is cracked, the products are an alkane, shorter chain alkane with the general formula CnH2n plus 2, and an alkene, which usually has the general formula CnH2n. Notice the difference in the formula. Alkanes have 2 extra hydrogens than alkenes. Alkanes only contain single bonds between carbons and single bonds between carbon and hydrogen, but alkenes contain a double bond between the carbons. We say that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons and alkenes are unsaturated because they contain a double bond. This means alkenes are more reactive than alkanes. That double bond makes them more reactive. The test for alkenes is a reaction with bromine. Bromine water is added to an alkene. Bromine water is an orangey brown colour, but when it reacts with the alkene, it forms a colourless solution. So the colour change is from brown or orange to colourless when bromine water is added to an alkene. Alkanes do not react with bromine water, so there would be no colour change. Because of the double bond in alkenes, alkenes can be used to form polymers. Polymers are a long chain of alkenes joined together. The individual alkenes are called monomers and they join together to form a polymer. Look at the example below. We start with the monomer propene and we produce the polymer polypropene. Another example, we start with the monomer ethene and we produce the polymer polyethene. Polymers are used to form really useful materials like many plastics. Plastics are produced from a polymerization of alkenes.